Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are going to be making a Japanese omelet roll. To do this we got a special pan that kind of has a little oval shape here in the back. It helps with the rolling. Here we have a little spatula to help roll it. We have a dozen eggs. Here we have some cheese, some shredded cheese, some peppers, green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, some diced half of an onion, and some shredded cheese. Also to the side, which I'll be putting in mine, we have some jalapeno. The wife doesn't like spicy, so I do that on my own. Alright, so to do this, we're first going to add a little bit of oil, our favorite chosen avocado oil, and we're going to kind of spread that around in here, the pan here, and we're going to take this over to the oven and let this warm up. And when it warms up, we will be right back and show you what we're going to do next. Be right back. Alright guys, we're back. Our pan is warmed up about now. It has a good hot. We did mix in our dry ingredients in with our egg. And what we're going to do is sprinkle this on here. We want it just covered. We're going to let that cook up. We'll try and spread it around. Like so. Now once it starts cooking up here, we'll start to roll it. Oh, also in our egg mixture, we did add, in our wet ingredient eggs, we had a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, and about a tablespoon of white sugar. So that'll give a little bit of a sweet taste. If you see any bubbles in it, you definitely want to pop them. Okay, let's start to give it a little roll here. See, just nice. It's okay if it's a little still wet. It'll start to cook up. While it's rolled, that'll still cook in there. Now we just want to leave a little bit out there. And then we want to add our next mixture to it. Like so. Kind of want to get a little bit of that wet underneath there. So you want to keep it all as one roll. Now with this one, we're going to add our little bit of our jalapeno in there. Probably going to do that for the next few rolls. Next couple rolls, I mean. This one's going to be mine. Okay. We can start to give it a roll. So, push that back over here, and we'll do another one. Let that egg spread around. We're going to add the rest of our jalapeno in here. So. Now in the oven, we want to keep this at like a medium heat. We have it set on a medium. You don't want it too hot or it'll burn it. Okay, we're going to do one more roll. It'll be a 4-layer roll. Now if you don't want it as 4, you can stop right here and just do 3. It's up to you. Or if you want to keep doing more, you can make it a big roll. But you do have to be a little careful. You make too much and it might start cracking. It's okay if it's a little runny, it'll cook. Alright, while that's heating up, we're going to get the paper towel. Like I said, all that running egg in there, it's all cooking up inside that roll, so it'll be good. Alright guys, that should about do it. We're just going to roll this right off the pan. We're going to let this cool a little bit. And when that's cooled a little bit, we'll be right back and we'll cut it open and let you see what it looks like. Alright guys, we'll be back in a little bit. Alright guys, we're back and our omelet roll is all finished. It's had time to settle down. And we're just going to take this off the napkin. And let's see, we'll just, here's another good look at it. Right. Let's take a good look. Let's cut into it. Let's take a look, see what it looks like. Yeah. Here we go. Let's see if we can see on the inside of that. See what it's like. There we go. Alright, let's say we give it a taste, huh? Now, if you wanted to really spice it up, put a little Tabasco sauce on it or something. That'll make it even better. Alright, let's give it a taste. Nice and fluffy. That spiciness from the jalapenos and the egg. Magnificent. Alright guys, I definitely give this one a thumbs up. Give it a try, a Japanese omelet roll. Pretty good. You can do it in a regular small pan if you need to. It's good either way. Alright guys, stay tuned for the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a thumbs up, leave comments, and be sure to subscribe and follow and all that other good stuff. It helps us out. Alright, everyone have a good day and God bless, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.